beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back to review this hair that I am wearing. I love this hair, you guys. Like, I really love this hair. And I was a little skeptical because of the last hair that I bought from Amazon. It was through another company, but I was still kind of skeptical because these are brands that are not known, so you kind of taking a chance on the way it looks. But I wanted to come and do a review because I always do a review on my crochet braiding hair and how my install looks and how it's holding up and all of that. So this is how it is looking at this time. This hair is amazing, seriously. And the frizziness, you know, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with frizziness, but the frizziness is making the look. Like, that is what's making this look. Anyway, so I'm trying to get this thing open so I can show you the hair. So the hair is HANNE, let's see, HANNE. So that is the hair. Let's see, it says 1 pack will cover a full head. Not my head. My head must be on the big side because 1 pack was not good enough for me. Each pack comes with 3 bundles. Let me take it out so you guys can see. So each pack comes with 3 bundles, and like I said, they said that 1 pack covers the whole head, but not mine. So, and it's supposed to be premium quality. Okay, so this is the pack. Here's the 1 bundle that I have left, and it have 1 bundle on this side and 1 bundle on that side. Okay, so I use 5 bundles, and then I have this left. I'm thinking about making this into like a puffy ponytail or something. I don't know. Anyway, but this is the hair, and it's okay. So the thing with this hair is it looks amazing right now, right? Like, it looks really good. But I had to do a few things that was worth it. Now with my other hair, I had to do a lot, and it just wasn't worth it. But this hair is worth it in the end, all the things that I had to do to it. So here's my problem. So usually when people do crochet braiding hair, they pull it apart, right? So I'm pulling it apart. A lot of times it ended up like this. So usually I have to snatch it, and this is kind of how it looks. Now some people, you know, maybe they're going for this look, but when I get some curly hair like this, I want it to be curly. I don't want to pull it apart and it be frizzy. And the thing is, you can't put it in your hair like this. Why? Because it won't knot. So it is extremely necessary to pull it apart. But this is what happens when you pull it apart. So in order to fix this and to make it worth it, because this hair is everything installed, and right now I had to spritz it with water and then go behind it with a little mousse and then go behind it with a little gel in order to fix this to where it was good. And then after I did this, it was still a little on the frizzy side, so I had to split my hair in 4 sections, twist it up, tie it up, wear it overnight, and then come back and undo it. And this is kind of the tame look that I have. It's still big, but it's big and defined. And I'm telling you, like, I cannot say enough about this hair, and I really hope that the beauty of this hair is picking up on camera, because I know I've had a few installs where it looked extremely beautiful in person, but the beauty does not pick up on camera. So I'm really hoping that all the beauty of this hair is picking up on camera. But yeah, so I think you could just look on Amazon for HANNE if you want to do this hair. And I believe they were $13.99 a pack, and I bought 2 packs. It took me 4 and some change to do this. And it only took me a long time because of what I had to do to the hair. But if you do get this hair, do not be discouraged if you pull it apart and it looks like this. A little bit of water, a little bit of gel, a little bit of mousse. These are the results, okay? So yeah, I wanted to come and give you guys my honest review on this hair. If you're interested, like I said, I'll try to leave it down below. Yeah, I'll try to leave it down below, and I'll also leave my install me installing this hair down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.
Bye.